Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sarah and Leo English. I am Sarah. Today, I feel tired. I have been working so hard. I think I need a break.
Oh, Sarah. You read my mind. I am exhausted. My brain is fried. I need to escape.
Leo, you played video games all night. That is why you are exhausted. But you are right. We all need a holiday.
Yes. Let's run away. Let's go to the moon. No people, no traffic, just silence.
The moon is a bit far, Leo. How about we plan a real trip? A vacation on Earth?
Okay, fine. Earth is okay. But where? And how? I have zero money and no plans.
Leo has no plan. Do you have a plan? Everyone dreams of travel, but few people know how to talk about it. Look at the subscribe button. It is your ticket to freedom. Click it to say, I am ready to explore the world. Are you packed? Let's learn how to travel in English. That is why we are here. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about holidays, plan a trip, and book tickets. Pack your bags, Leo. First, when we talk about plans, we don't usually say I will. Will is for sudden decisions. For a plan, we use I am going to.
I am going to sleep.
That is a plan, yes. But let's talk about travel. Listen and repeat. Number 1. I am going to.
I am going to.
Travel to Japan.
Travel to Japan.
Full sentence. I am going to travel to Japan next summer.
I am going to travel to Japan next summer.
Another one. We are going to.
We are going to.
Visit Paris.
Visit Paris.
Full sentence. We are going to visit Paris.
We are going to visit Paris. Very romantic.
Question form. Where are you?
Where are you?
Going to go?
Going to go.
Full sentence. Where are you going to go?
Where are you going to go?
So Leo, where are you going to go? Do you like the beach or the mountains?
That is the eternal question. Beach versus mountain.
Let's explore the vocabulary for both. If you like the sun and sand, you want a beach holiday. Repeat sunbathe. Sun.
Sun.
Bathe.
Bathe.
Full sentence. Sunbathe.
Sunbathe.
This means to lie in the sun to get brown skin.
I want to sunbathe on the beach. But I usually get sunburned. Red like a lobster.
Then wear sunscreen. Next word, coast. Full sentence, coast.
Coast.
The land near the sea. A trip to the coast. Now, if you hate sand in your shoes, maybe you prefer a city break or an adventure. Adventure. Full sentence, adventure.
Adventure. I like that word. It sounds dangerous.
For mountains, we say hiking. Listen. Hick.
Hick.
ing.
ing.
Full sentence, hiking.
Hiking.
Walking long distances in nature. I am going to.
I am going to.
Go hiking.
Go hiking.
Full sentence, I am going to go hiking.
I am going to go hiking. Hiking implies walking. If you take a taxi, it is called lazy.
One more very common word. Sightseeing. Sight.
Sight.
Seeing.
Seeing.
Full sentence, sightseeing.
Sightseeing.
Visiting famous places and taking photos. Full sentence, we went sightseeing in London.
We went sightseeing in London. I took a selfie with Big Ben.
Okay, I chose my destination. I am going to Hawaii. Aloha.
Hawaii. Wonderful choice. Now, you need to book your trip.
Book. I have many books at home. Harry Potter, comic books.
No, Leo. In travel, to book means to reserve or to buy a ticket. It is a verb. Repeat, I need to book a flight.
Full sentence, I need to book a flight.
I need to book a flight.
A flight is a trip by airplane. There are two types of tickets. One-way ticket. Full sentence, one-way ticket.
One-way ticket.
This means you go there, but you don't come back.
Like going to Mars. Goodbye, Earth.
Or round-trip ticket. Full sentence, round-trip ticket.
Round-trip ticket.
You go there and you come back. Usually cheaper.
Round-trip ticket. I want to come back. My cat is here.
After the flight, you need a place to sleep. We call this accommodation. ACO.
ACO.
MMO.
MMO.
Datayon.
Dafion.
Full sentence, accommodation.
Accommodation. Long word. Can I just say hotel?
Yes. Hotel is fine. Or hostel. Full sentence, hostel.
Hostel.
We have a nice hostel. You share a room with 10 other people.
10 people. Do they snore? Never mind. I will take the expensive hotel.
And finally, packing. You need to put your clothes in a bag. Full sentence, I need to pack my luggage.
I need to pack my luggage.
Or suitcase. Full sentence, suitcase.
Suitcase.
Luggage is uncountable. We don't say 2 luggages.
My luggage is heavy because of the toaster.
And boarding pass. Full sentence, boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
the paper or phone code to get on the plane. Okay, Leo. Let's pretend I am a travel agent. You are a customer. You want to book a trip to Paris.
Paris. Oui oui. Croissant. I am ready.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Sarah's travel agency. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to book a trip to Paris, France.
Wonderful choice. When are you planning to go?
I am going to go next month, in July. Is the weather nice?
July is beautiful in Paris. Would you like a direct flight or a layover?
What is a layover?
Breaking character. Good question. A layover is when the plane stops in another city before the final destination.
Ah, no layover. I hate stopping. I want a direct flight, please.
Okay, direct flight. And for accommodation? We have a 5-star hotel near the Eiffel Tower.
That sounds expensive. How much is the fare?
It is $500 per night.
$500. Do I own the tower for that price? Do you have anything cheaper?
We have a nice hostel. You share a room with 10 other people.
10 people. Do they snore? Never mind. I will take the expensive hotel. I will sell my toaster to pay for it.
Great decision. Your booking is confirmed. Enjoy Paris.
Well done, Leo. Now, to end the lesson, let's play a game. Guess the destination. I give you 3 clues, you guess the country.
I am the geography master. Hit me.
Number 1. Kangaroos. Opera house. Surfing.
Oh, that is easy. Australia. Daymate.
Correct. Number 2. Pyramids. Desert. Camels.
Egypt. I want to ride a camel.
Correct. Number 3. Sushi. Cherry blossoms. Anime.
Japan. My dream holiday.
You are good at this. Last one. Pizza. Colosseum. Labanara.
Hey. It's carbonara. And the country is Italy.
Bingo. You win a virtual high five.
Listeners, planning a holiday is fun. Remember to use I am going to 4 plans. And don't forget to book your tickets early.
And please, check your luggage. Don't pack a toaster.
Trust me. What is your dream destination? Tell us in the comments. We would love to know where you want to go.
I am going to the fridge now. That is my destination.
Bon voyage, Leo. Wait. Leo is going to the fridge, but you are going places. You know how to book a ticket, but do you know how to talk to strangers when you travel? Making friends is the best part of travel. I teach you how to start a conversation with anyone in this video right here. Click it to be a global citizen.